coding is solved thanks to Anthropic leaking their source code today. Now, memes aside, it's true and they've taken it down now, but there's 3 interesting leaks that I think you have to know. So how did it happen? Anthropic accidentally made available the full source code of their Claude Code CLI tool to the public npm package. And they did this by accidentally bundling a source map file. This is a file that translates the machine gibberish that is run on your computer to the code that the actual developers wrote. But let's have a look at what actually got revealed. So first up, Anthropic's making this Tamagotchi or Labubu companion feature. They call it Buddy, and it's meant to be this virtual pet companion that sits in your terminal with 18 different types of creatures and rarity tiers. You can get like legendaries. And a lot of people are speculating that this might be released on April 1st as a fun, April Fool's surprise. Number 2, sentiment analysis was found in their code, and it's implemented via scanning the user's prompts pre-response, so before they're submitted, using regular expression patterns. So looking at words in strings of text, and they look for profanity or negative sentiment. There's like words and abbreviations such as WTF, FFS, all that good stuff, which is kind of funny and ironic because they have a full-powered large language model which can do this, but chose to do it via regular expressions. And that just shows how, honestly, sometimes it's much faster and cheaper to do things the old coding way. And number 3, the biggest leak is what's called Kairos, which is an autonomous agent mode. Think of it as like an agent that is designed to run indefinitely in the background 24/7 without user input. So it does this via scheduling automatic state updates, for example, every 5 minutes to process any sort of pending task or environment changes. It will integrate with webhooks to GitHub for real-time repository monitoring and for triggering new actions such as reviewing code or merging new code. And it'll also run something called auto dream cycle, which will look at your logs, look at the context and prompts that you submitted before and try to consolidate them and prune off anything that's irrelevant anymore.